Good morning, my name is Eduardo. I'm the foreman. I enjoy to build beautiful things. So we have a good team. I'm very happy to teach people how to build projects, how to build all the process in the landscape. Y me gusta mucho las cosas nuevas que hacen aquí. En esta compañía se ahorra agua.
I'm ready for the tanks.
Se mantiene el ambiente mejor. Tratamos de usar cosas más natural, orgánicas. People can see that they can save the world. They can save water. They can have beautiful flowers in the garden. It's not like a throw away the water in the pathways. I work for different companies, and I love this one because I learned a lot of stuff. The way we can save the world. And I really love it.